Lyft's colorful, glowing emblem will amplify your rides. AMP is delivered right to your door, or you can pick it up from your hub. Your AMP comes with a power adapter and strong magnetic base. To get started, plug your AMP into the USB adapter provided. Then, plug the adapter into your car's 12-volt charger. Next, open the Lyft app, tap your picture in the upper left corner, select AMP, then pair my AMP. To install, clean your dashboard before centering the base. Then, place your AMP with the Lyft logo facing out. During pickups, the glow of your AMP matches the color in your passenger's Lyft app and guides passengers right to your door. Even at night, in a big crowd. And AMP greets passengers by name. Who doesn't like that? When you're driving, leave it plugged into your car's 12-volt charger. Plus, it's easy to store when you're not driving. But we won't judge you if you keep it out.